Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my show. This is Kenshi. I'm definitely a little hairier now. It's been a while, right? Since you last seen me. This is what quarantine does to you. So hopefully everyone is safe and healthy. And so guessing by the video, you all know what we're doing today. The Delrin Door Bushings. So it's a pretty easy install. I would say pretty much anyone can do it as long as you have some, some basic hand tools, skills, I guess, if you want to say it, right? So just to prove to you guys how easy it is, I'm gonna have my son do it. So without further ado, I'm gonna do the Delrin Door Bushings install, and with my son. I'll be behind the camera. I might help a little, but I don't know. I think he could handle it. So okay. So there's the Tia, and if you never met Tia before, just check out my other videos, but that's the name of my 97 Miata M edition. So Elliot, did you get? Yeah, he's in the garage getting all the tools and stuff. You have everything?
Yep, I have everything.
Yeah. So there's Elliot. Elliot, YouTube.
Hi.
So let's show the camera. Let's show what we got here. So this is what we got from the Delrin Door Bushings. Inside, can you help open it?
Oh, open it?
Yeah. Just careful, I don't want all the bolts coming out and stuff. So the reason for these door bushings is Miatas and other convertibles. They're not as stiff, the bodies. So especially when even with the windows down, the top up, you could feel the flexing. So from what I've read and a lot of other videos out there, these actually are a lot stiffer. Oh wow, they're really stiff.
I know.
Man, I didn't think they were that hard. Wow. Yeah, because so we'll show you where the old ones are. Okay, you got that? Thanks. So it's right down here, and see it. Show it like to press it. You could actually press it.
You can literally like bend it.
Yeah, I know, right? And those you can't
and
even.
And these they're like so stiff.
Yeah. Okay. So let's do one side, right? So all you'll need is what? Do you remember what tool?
A socket wrench.
Yeah, what size? It's a deep socket wrench, right?
Deep socket wrench.
And it's the one size that everybody loses.
10 millimeters?
Yeah. And that's like an inside joke, obviously, you guys know. And we're using a 3/8 since just more leverage for him, just in case they were tight. So, okay. So there's actually 2 bolts, and we're gonna reuse it comes with bolts too. Get focus. So it comes with bolts. But I just rather use the original since there's still those like yellow, I forgot what they call those, like anodized or something. But there's still that yellow color since this car is in great shape. So even the hinge, you see? So we're gonna reuse those since I'm kinda OCD about things like that. So okay. So Elliot's gonna do this now. Let's see. Yeah, just keep going. You gotta crank it for a while. I think it's pretty long. So yeah, you see how long these are, right? See? Oop, sorry about that. Just get this out of the way. And there is instructions, but I don't know. It seems kind of simple to me. I believe you just make sure that you don't tighten it all the way before you close the door. So once you close the door, you open it again, and then you could tighten both. You got it?
I think I got it loose.
Yeah, you gotta take it all the way off. Man, I still don't believe how hard they are. And while he's doing that, I'll show you where they actually go back the door here. So
Oh, got it.
see, they actually go in like that. You see? Oh wow, they're in there like really tight. So yeah. Okay.
And, as you can see, the bolts are way smaller than the original.
Oh yeah, we might not be able to use. Well, we'll see. We'll try. Right? Yeah, they're a lot shorter, aren't they?
Yeah, they're a lot shorter.
Huh. Yeah, so you can see here. So I wonder if it's. Alright, so to take off the other one, I just want to see the thickness. Maybe this has something to do with the thickness. Maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we might have to use other bolts. Oh well. Trying to be original here. Yeah, so if you guys are new to my channel, I bought the 97 Miata M Edition back in September, so about a year now. Picked it up in Arkansas and drove it back to the Philly the suburbs area. It's suburbs outside of Philadelphia. So yeah. So you got the other one?
Almost.
Yeah. Take your time. So I don't know if I finished, but so I'm going for kind of like a vintage resto mod look. So okay, so this is the old.
You can literally just squish it, and this one.
Yeah, that's like a hockey puck one. That one.
Yeah.
So, okay, so now I wonder if it matters which way. I'm assuming it's flat that way. Right. Now I think I may have to look at the instructions. I just want to make sure that it's the right way. So. It should be pretty quick. Here, can you open it up? Let's show the side at the other side. So maybe it has where the. You gotta help me out here. So does it go flat? Right? It goes flat down there.
Yeah.
Oh, is it telling me to put stuff on it?
I think it
Like
is.
grease? Oh, I do have grease.
Hmm.
Paint correction. Okay. So I think I'm right. It has to be flat, I think. Yeah. So this way. So let me see here. Yeah. So yeah, that's where it goes. Okay. So that's pretty easy. So we have to do it this way, Elliot. Okay.
Okay.
So just start. So I doubt we can try the original one first. Try the original bolts first. Cause I'm such a stickler or whatever you want to say with using the original ones. So okay. Here.
What?
Yeah. So will that work? That one?
I think it will.
It will?
Probably.
Ah, no, that's too.
Yeah.
Well, this might be. It just. I don't
Yeah,
think.
it's too.
It's too short.
They're short.
Okay.
So that's a
Man,
big
I'm
fat
gonna save
X.
these. Always save your bolts. You never know when you're gonna need them. Okay, so just put it that way, right? Yeah. Make sure it's facing the right way. Yeah, what you do is you try to squeeze it in first. It's hard to do this with one hand. Well, guys, I don't think it's as easy as it is, but we got it. Yeah. Then start the other one. You might as well start the other one too. So, here. Yeah, you just gotta. Yeah, you always thread first. You don't want to use the socket right away. Okay.
Yep.
And make sure you take your time so that you don't cross thread, right? So if it doesn't go in right, that means this might be cross thread.
You try. It's not cross thread. It's just I don't have long nails like you.
Yeah. I'm probably one of the few guys out there with long nails that works on cars, right?
Yeah.
And you have it. Is it on the right?
Is that?
Yep. You gotta hold that first. This part, remember? You gotta hold that part first. Yeah. While you're tightening. Yeah. You see? There. We go. And then not tight at all. Okay.
Okay, it's starting to get tight.
Okay. So I don't want it tight at all, though. I don't want it like.
I don't think it's that tight.
Huh? Okay. Now do the other one. And then, so this is pretty much once you do this side, you just kind of repeat the other side. I'm not gonna show that part, just But yeah. So once we have this in, we have to test it first just to make sure.
Okay, it's a little bit tight.
Is it? I just want to make sure that it moves. No, it's still a little too loose, I think. So let's try this here. Yeah, you want it to move so that. Yeah, okay. So now what we do is, watch your fingers. I'm gonna close the door. Not sure if I should slam it or if I should. Yeah, I guess I should slam it right.
Oh, man, wait. Oh, I could. Dad, try.
What? No, I don't think it's like that, is it? We'll have to drive it later.
And then I need to see how.
What? No, we're not finished. Now we have to tighten. Where you go? No, you can't tell that way. The only way you could tell is when you drive it. So.
Oh.
Okay, so now you could tighten it. Not too tight, but just as long as it's good.
Do you think those are good?
Yeah, it's good. So that's pretty much it, guys. Door bushings. I pretty much He could do it. So if he can do it, no offense to my son, but it was a pretty easy install, right?
Yeah,
Don't you
it's
think?
pretty easy.
Yeah. So yeah, thanks for joining, and look out for more videos. I'll put the link in the description for the Delrin. I got it from Moss Miata. It was very fast shipping, and then I'll also put links of the other videos too on there too. So take care. Kenshi at you. Bye.
Hey guys, so this is after the video. We're editing this in. So we forgot to say this in the video, and if my dad reaches 10 subscribers, anything I could hold, he has to buy.
Yeah, so I'm shooting for small. 10 subscribers, then I'm gonna take him to wherever. I'm assuming maybe where do you want to go?
Target.
Target, I guess. And he's gonna try to carry as many things as he can, and whatever he can bring to the register, I have to pay for it. So that's only if I reach 10 subscribers. So it's a good and bad thing. So okay, take care, guys. Kenshi, please join and press like, subscribe, whatever. I'll show the link in the description about the door bushings. Take care. Bye.